Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am talking about a very popular lipstick, the Clinique Almost Lipstick in Black Honey. I will tell you everything about how it looks, how it feels, how it wears, and if it's worth buying or not. So let's start the video. First of all, I will talk about the packaging. So this is the packaging. The outer packaging looks like this. I have purchased this product from Nykaa at Rs 2,300. I will share the link in the description box. If you want to buy this product, you can check out my description box. You can see the price of the lipstick is written in its cover, and also the net weight of the product is written. That is 1.9 gram. This lipstick comes in a simple silver tube. It's slim, light, and easy to carry in your purse or pocket. The design is clean and classic, not fancy at all, but very elegant. When you twist it up, it feels smooth and not cheap, which is nice. Now I will talk about the color. Let's look at the shade and how it looks on the lips. The shade is called Black Honey, and in the tube it looks super dark, like a deep black cherry or plum. But don't let that scare you. When you put it on, it's actually very sheer. It gives a light berry tint that blends with your natural lip color. That means it looks a little different on everyone, but it's always soft, fresh, and flattering. You can swipe on one layer for a light tint or build it up with a few swipes for a deeper color. Clinique Black Honey mixes with your natural lip color when you apply it. So, if someone has pale or light colored lips, it will look like a soft berry or rosy tint. If someone has naturally darker or more pigmented lips, it might look deeper, more like a plum or wine shade. The final color depends on the natural base color of your lips. That's why people say it magically flatters so many skin tones, but it's not the exact same on everyone. Next, I will talk about the texture. The texture is smooth and light, more like a lip balm than a thick lipstick. It's not sticky or heavy, and it gives a little shine without glitter or shimmer. If you have dry lips, you will like how soft and comfortable it feels. This time I will talk about the wear time. Since it's sheer and light, it doesn't last all day. You will need to reapply after eating or drinking. But that's okay because it's so easy to swipe on. You don't even need a mirror. It fades nicely and leaves a soft stain on the lips. Good news for the people who don't like strong smells. This lipstick has no strong scent or taste. It's very neutral. So is it worth buying? If you like a natural, easy lipstick that gives your lips a little color and feels nice, yes, it's a great product. It's simple, classic, and works for so many people. So that's all about my review of the Clinique Black Honey lipstick. If you have any query, then please do comment. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell so that you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching and see you next time.